All right, guys, today for our math lesson, we are going to be making 5 different problems where we are comparing mixed numbers. So, same thing as normal, we're going to go ahead and just pause your screen and solve. And this is actually our last math lesson of the year that's going to be a video. So if you look at the plans later today that I'm going to post, you'll see that the lessons for math are a little bit easier. So it's practicing your multiplication, practicing multiples, finding things in your house to measure with like your hand, things like that. So there's not going to be math videos next week. I'm going to continue with the Harry Potter and the Statue of Liberty reading, but there will not be any math lessons. So kind of an easy way for you to end the school year. So that's exciting. So this is your last remote math lesson. Oh my goodness. So like we've been doing, you'll just pause the screen and you'll solve. So the first one is going to be 1 1/2 compared to 1 3/6. All right, so the easiest way that I find to do this is to find the same denominators. So 3/6 is that fraction that we were working on earlier in the week where we can divide them and make it into 1/2, right? We can divide the top and the bottom by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I get 1 1/2. So I'm comparing 1 1/2 to 1 1/2. They're going to be equal. So hopefully you got equal for that one. All right, the next one is 2 4/5 compared to 3. All right, for this one, I know that 3 is bigger than 2, so I automatically know that my fraction is going to be, the 3 is bigger than 2 4/5. This is really close to 3, right? Just one more fifth. That would be they would be the same, but this one's a little bit bigger. All right, your next one, you're gonna have to change. Oh no, you don't. Not this one. 7 4/8 compared to 6 5/8. All right, so for this one, I see that the 5/8 is bigger than 4/8. So your brain might think automatically to say that this side's bigger. But if you look at the whole number, the 7 and the 6, the 7 is the bigger one here. So we're going to make our little alligator eat that side. All right, the next one, this is the one we have to change them. 2 4/5 compared to 2 7/10. Go ahead and change your denominators to be the same and then compare. All right, so our 2's are the same, so I need to look at the fractions this time, and I'm going to change the fifths into tenths. So they're really close, if you can see. Right, so that's going to be 8/10 compared to 7/10. So I'm going to draw my little alligator this way, so it's greater than the 7/10. That's why we change it, because this one might look like it'd be bigger, right? The 7 compared to the 4. But since I changed my denominators, I know that 8 is bigger than the 7. Alrighty, and we are on your last one. 3 5/9 compared to 2 5/9. All right, and again, you might automatically think that they're equal because of the 5/9, but the 3 is bigger, so we're going to make them greater than. All right, and that is all your math lesson for the day. Remember that make sure you check the lesson plans to see what you're supposed to do for math every day next week, but there will not be any videos to go along with them. So this is my last math video. I'm kind of sad. All right, well, I will see you guys later on the Google Meets. I hope you guys all join us.